More than 600 miles south of the capital city of Buenos Aires in Argentina lies Península Valdés. It is home to a vast population of elephant seals, but there's much fewer of them now compared to only a year ago. A massive outbreak of a highly pathogenic avian influenza virus killed more than 17,000 elephant seals, including about 97% of their pups. Scientists are estimating that only about a third of the elephant seals normally expected here returned. According to a release from the Wildlife Conservation Society, researchers visiting the site report walking among piles of dead elephant seals and bones and seeing very few elephant seal harems, which is a disturbing trend to witness. A study published on November 11th in the journal Nature Communications and co-led by UC Davis and the National Institute of Agricultural Technology in Argentina provides evidence of mammal-to-mammal transmission during the 2023 outbreak. It found that the H5N1 virus spread efficiently among marine mammals. The outbreak in elephant seals was a stepping stone amid the first transnational spread of the virus in these species, extending across 5 countries in southern South America. The study reveals how H5N1 viruses, particularly those of genotype B3.2, have evolved over time since their arrival in South America in late 2022. The virus has demonstrated an ability to adapt to marine mammals, as evidenced by consistent mutations in viruses from this group. Additionally, the research highlights that these marine mammal strains can return to infect birds, underscoring the importance of enhanced surveillance and regional research collaboration. The Wildlife Conservation Society in Argentina estimated the population of returning elephant seals as part of a decades-long monitoring project. According to the findings, the epidemic reversed decades of conservation efforts for the species, adding that most of the adult males and many of the most experienced and fertile females have not returned. We were totally appalled by the dramatic impact of the epidemic of avian influenza on this population, said co-author Valeria Falabella, WCS Argentina, Director of Coastal and Marine Conservation. It is likely that more than half of the reproductive population died due to the virus. It will take decades before the numbers are back to the 2022 population size. Tracking and monitoring the virus among elephant seals is a collaborative effort. As WCS Argentina conducts its census, researchers from UC Davis document and sample every animal that dies for signs of H5N1 and then test and sequence them at the Institute of Virology, INTA. So far, no elephant seals have tested positive this breeding season, yet lingering questions remain from last year's outbreak. For instance, scientists do not know if the virus was transmitted by aerosol, saliva, feces, or other means, or if surviving animals have built resistance via protective antibodies. Such questions remain highly relevant. Over the past year, the virus has been widespread in wild birds and has caused outbreaks in poultry and U.S. dairy cows, with recent cases reported among dairy and poultry workers. The current variant of influenza began to cause problems at a global scale in 2020. While humans confronted the coronavirus pandemic, the flu began killing tens of thousands of seabirds in Europe before moving to South Africa. In 2021, it entered the United States and Canada, threatening poultry and wild birds, and spread to South America in late 2022. By February 2023, highly pathogenic avian influenza was detected in Argentina for the first time, affecting poultry primarily in inland central Argentina for 5 months. By August 2023, the virus appeared in sea lions at the tip of South America. From there, it moved swiftly northward. In October 2023, following outbreaks in sea lions, the study authors surveyed the breeding colony of elephant seals at Punta Delgada along the coast of Península Valdés, recording unprecedented mass mortality. Test results confirmed that the avian flu was present in the seals, as well as in several terns that died at the same time. The author said continued monitoring and investigation is critically important to better understand the virus's evolution. Its increased flexibility to adapt to new hosts could have global consequences for human health, wildlife conservation, and ecosystems. Don't stop here. Find out more. Visit the links in the description below for more in-depth information on the stories presented in this video. Or if you are a part of a wildlife organization doing something interesting right now, let us know in the comments.